Hello, is this seat taken?
No, the seat is free. Please sit.
Thank you, I'll sit here. This metro looks very clean today.
Yes, the metro is always clean.
Do you travel this route daily?
Yes, I travel this route every day.
Oh, nice! I'm going to Moti Jheel. Where are you headed?
I'm going to Farmgate for work.
Great! How long does it usually take?
It takes around 20 to 25 minutes.
Yes, I'm new in this city. I like the metro, fast and comfortable.
Yes, metro is the fastest option.
Do they always play announcements like this?
Yes, they announce every station.
That's helpful for new passengers. Do you use a metro card or buy tickets?
I use a metro card. It's easier and cheaper.
Okay, I will buy a card next time. Do metros get crowded in the evening?
Yes, evenings are very crowded. The morning is peaceful like this.
Oh, really? I should avoid rush hour then. The view from the window looks amazing today.
Yes, the view is beautiful from here.
We are going over the flyover now. Do you often listen to music during travel?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Nice. I also listen to English podcasts. It helps me practice speaking.
English podcasts? That's a good idea.
Do you know how many stations are left?
There are two more stations left.
Great, almost there.
Yes, we will reach soon.
This ride feels very smooth.
The metro has made travel comfortable.
The AC is perfect too. Metro service is really a big improvement. I think more people will use it soon.
Yes, people love this service. Okay, have a safe journey. Take care.
Okay, my stop is coming next. It was nice talking to you. Have a good day.